Okay guys, doing a video here on a Honda Shadow 1994 model. Got the carburetors off of it. Got to rebuild them so we can get it running. As you can see, there's the boots where the carburetors go on. Seat is off of it. Gas tank. I owned this motorcycle a long time ago. Sold it and just recently got it back. Problem was they let it set up with bad gas in the tank and carburetors. So now we got to fix them. So you can see, got the floats covers off. There's the new parts. Was dirty, but there's the new kits. And the new parts. So we're going to put it back together, see if it'll run. It should. Lots of fun. Lots of fun. Very tight fit. Hard to get them in and out too. Other than that, it's a good old motorcycle. Still got chain drive. That's an old one. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll do another one as soon as I get it fired up.